All right, guys, we're going to learn how to convert standard form of an equation to slope-intercept form. Okay, so again, standard form. Okay, it's usually something x plus or minus something y equals a number. Okay, so in this case, negative 15x plus 5y equals 10. This is standard form. I need it to be in slope-intercept form. So in other words, I need it to be y equals. So I need to get this y by itself. We've already done this before, but we're just going to kind of retouch on it. Okay, so first step, move the variable term. So if I want y by itself, I'm going to move my 15x, okay, my negative 15x. I do that by adding 15x. What you do to one side, you do to the other. Okay, so that would cancel the negative 15x out. Okay, bring down your 5y. And then remember, I wanted you to write your 15x first, and it's going to make more sense here when we finish because I want it in the form y equals mx plus b. So I'm going to write 15x plus 10. Okay, if there's no sign in front of the 10, then it's a positive number. All right, so step 2, we're going to divide by the coefficient to isolate y. So in other words, I want y by itself, so the only way to do that is to divide by a positive 5. But what you do to one side, you have to do to the other. And remember, we're going to end up doing this to both terms on this side. Okay, so I should get y equals, and then 15 divided by 5 is 3x, and 10 divided by 5 is a positive 2. Well, now that's in slope-intercept form. That's y equals mx plus b. So my slope is my coefficient of my x term, so my 3. So wherever my x is, my 3 is next to it. Okay, in this form, my slope is 3. It has to be converted first. And then my y-intercept is the positive 2. Okay, all right, just another example. Okay, it says which of the following is equivalent to 5x minus 3y equals 21? Well, if I look at my answer choices, they're in y equals, meaning this is standard form and I want it in slope-intercept form. Okay, so we're going to do the same steps. So it's equivalent, it's just a different form. Okay, kind of like 1/2 and 2/4. It's the same amount, it's the same thing, they're equivalent, but it looks different. Okay, so move the variable term. So I'm going to subtract 5x from both sides. Okay, what you do to one side, you have to do the other. Don't forget to bring down your negative with your 3y. That's a big miss for kids. Okay, you just see the 3 and forget the negative. But remember to bring your sign down. Negative 5x plus 21, I like to write my variable term first. So write the negative 5x first. Okay, step 2, we're going to divide by the coefficient. Remember, the coefficient's the number next to the letter. Okay, we're going to divide by the negative 3 because I want y by itself. What you do to one side, you have to do to both sides. Okay, so negative 3 divided by negative 3 just gives me y equals. Okay, watching your signs is very important. A negative divided by a negative should give me a positive 5/3. Okay, so again, negative 5 divided by negative 3, it's positive 5/3 x. Okay, positive 21 divided by negative 3 is a minus 7. Okay, so now it's in slope-intercept form, and my slope is 5/3, and my y-intercept is negative 7.